Container gardening can be one of the most rewarding ways to grow plants, offering a chance to enjoy fresh herbs, vegetables, or flowers, even in the smallest of spaces. Yet many gardeners quickly discover frustrating challenges: wilting plants, soggy soil, stunted growth, that seem hard to solve. The good news is that these issues often come down to a few simple but overlooked details. With the right approach, container gardening becomes far easier and far more successful. Here are 5 practical tips that can prevent common problems and help any container garden thrive. Number 1. Size matters. When it comes to containers, the size isn't just about looks, it directly impacts how healthy your plants will be. Small pots dry out faster, roots get cramped, and growth gets stunted. Larger containers, on the other hand, provide more consistent moisture, better insulation for the roots, and more room for plants to spread out. Think of it this way. You wouldn't want to live in a cramped studio if you had the option of a cozy house, right? The same goes for your plants. Whenever possible, go a size bigger than you think you need. Number 2. How to fix the drainage. Of course, even with the perfect pot size, drainage can make or break your container garden. Without it, roots can sit in soggy soil and rot away. If your pot doesn't come with holes, don't panic. You can drill a few at the bottom or even use a hot nail to create openings. And here's a bonus hack. Instead of filling the bottom with heavy rocks, try using lightweight materials like broken terracotta pieces, old packing peanuts, or even recycled plastic bottles. This not only helps water escape, but also keeps your pot lighter and easier to move around. Number 3. How to improve the soil. Now let's talk about what goes inside. The soil you choose is everything. Garden soil alone is usually too heavy and compacts easily in pots. What your containers really need is a high-quality potting mix that drains well while still holding enough moisture. You can even improve it by mixing in compost for nutrients, perlite for aeration, or a handful of worm castings for an organic boost. Think of your soil as the pantry your plants eat from. The better stocked it is, the stronger and healthier they'll grow. Number 4. How to make the watering easier. Even with great soil, watering can feel like a chore. Containers dry out much faster than in-ground gardens, especially in the summer heat. To make it easier, consider using self-watering pots or adding water reservoirs to the base of your containers. You can also top your soil with a layer of mulch to slow down evaporation. That way you're not out there with the watering can every single morning. Bubble wrap hack. And here's a fun little trick I stumbled upon. Bubble wrap. Lining the inside of your container walls with bubble wrap before adding soil acts like insulation, helping your plants stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Plus, it cuts down on how fast the soil dries out. Who knew something so simple could make such a difference? Number 5. Create a grouping for maximum impact. Finally, don't think of each pot as a lonely island. Grouping containers together not only creates a beautiful, lush display, but also helps plants support one another by sharing humidity and shade. You can mix tall statement plants with cascading ones and sprinkle in colorful flowers for a layered, eye-catching effect. It's like building a little container community, and the results are both practical and stunning. With these 5 simple steps, choosing the right size, fixing drainage, improving soil, making watering easier, using the bubble wrap hack, and grouping containers, you'll transform your potted plants from struggling survivors into thriving showpieces. Container gardening doesn't have to be complicated, sometimes it's just about knowing the little tricks that make all the difference.